Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kamika Chaudhary and I just welcome back you all onto my channel whose name is Life Beyond Lectures. So today I have curated a 10-step guide for all of you to follow in order to become an assistant professor. आप ये 10 step की guide है, इसको follow करेंगे step wise, then there are very high chances for you all to become an assistant professor. So let's just start the video. Point number 1 is to pursue a higher education. That means to obtain a postgraduate degree in your field of expertise, and that too with 55% of the marks. So the point number 2 is gain the teaching experience. So you can do that by engaging yourself in the teaching assistantships or by doing the part-time jobs in order to hone your pedagogical skills. Point number 3 is to build an academic profile. Now how that can be done? For this, you need to publish the research papers, attend the various conferences, contribute to the various academic journals. So that include into the point number 3. Now we are going to talk about the most important point number 4, which is about to clear the NET examination. So in this you need to have the NET eligibility test certificate or the state eligibility test certificate. Point number 5 is network with the peers. So how that can be achieved is by collaborating with the fellow academicians, by attending various seminars that happens into your discipline, and by building a community of the people and just joining all of them so that you can have a group of the people who are related to your discipline. Now the next point is your point number 6. The point number 6 discusses about apply for various assistant professor positions that are coming. That means you need to have an eye on the advertisement which are coming so that you can apply to those positions, and plus just tailor your application also. Build a good resume or the CV and just keep on applying onto the positions that are presenting or that are coming to your way. Point number 7 is now excel in your interviews. So you can do that by presenting your academic achievements, by telling about your teaching philosophies and your interest into the field of the research. Now talking about the point number 8 includes pursue the continuous learning. So remember to just be updated in your field of discipline always. So be aligned with the trends that are coming into your field, and you can do that by just joining a number of updated and the latest courses or by attending the seminars and the conferences. Point number 9 is seek the mentorship. Just connect with your senior professors in order to get the guidance and the mentorship for your academic professor or the assistant professor journey. And the last point is to stay persistent. Just embrace the setbacks as the learning opportunities and keep working towards your goal of becoming an assistant professor. So do not lose hope, do not just leave it, be persistent, and I'm sure that you're going to become an assistant professor one day, right? I hope you found this guide helpful on your journey of becoming an assistant professor. So keep on watching my content and like this video if you found it useful, and also share it with your fellow aspiring academicians. Comment below if you have any kind of the queries and the doubts. So until next time, just work hard and achieve your goal. Bye bye.